Hello Sarari, my name is Winnie Yolanda, and now I want to tell you about Balinese traditional product. The first one is Balinese Kebaya. Balinese Kebaya is the kind of Balinese traditional clothes that should be worn by women, and it looks similar to another kebaya in Indonesia, such as in Japanese kebaya in Kemon, and the difference from another region about Balinese Kebaya is in how you wear it. Balinese Kebaya should be worn with the kamen and the Balinese Prada belt. Moreover, you should wear all the completeness of Balinese traditional clothes. It has so many beautiful variant colors, but commonly, Balinese wearing white for prayer, needs, or another ritual. The next one is safari clothes. Safari clothes are kind of Balinese traditional clothes that should be worn by Balinese men. This has a collar and two pockets of the bottom of the shirt with a specific shirt model of safari clothes. Safari clothes represent the cleanliness and holiness things in Balinese culture. That is why commonly these clothes have a white color and should be worn in specific important events, ritual, or custom cultural ceremony. Balinese traditional dance. Who doesn't know the kecak dance? Kecak dance is a Bali traditional dance that have been very popular and has become one of the typical performance that tourists are hunting for. This dance was created by Wayang Limba and Walter Spies. This dance tells the epic story of Ramayana, and on average, all the dancers are men. The number of dancers who performed the kecak dance was more than 10. If you take a trip to Bali, set aside last 30 minutes to watch the kecak dance performance. You will see the dancers sitting a circle and shooting chak while raising both arms. The next thing depicts the monkey army as fighting to support Rama against Rahwana. There's also a dancer who plays another Ramayana character. The next is Balinese traditional food. Satay, or satay in Indonesia, are grilled slices of chicken, goat, beef, or pork. Swarken of steak, you can find them in virtually every city in Indonesia. Every culture has a unique take on variation. Satay ladies eat Bali creation, which is marinated coconut milk and another spice. The sliced meat is wrapped rather than swacker, hence the name Lilith or wrap. Additional sauce is optional, as the satay itself already has a combination of spicy, savory, and sweet taste. Next is babi guling. Babi guling is Balinese roasted pork. It is treat often served during cultural performance or ceremony. While the fresh pork contribute to the juiciness, the mix of traditional spice play an important role in making babi guling an unforgettable dish. Next is Balinese traditional house. Balinese traditional house, which are known by the local of Rumah Gapura Candi Bentar, are still often found in Bali not only as tourist attraction but also as a part of Bali modern community as well. Anyone who visits Bali will definitely be attached by a mystic charm. With it, aesthetical pleasing architecture of the Balinese traditional house, dual and rich sipopi that Balinese refer to as Asta Kosala Kosali. Asta Kosala Kosali is a sipopi of building of large arrangement package in religious concept. It consists of the detail about the architecture, design, construction technique, materials, selection, specialty, and special ritual used in Hindu tradition relate to the assigned table of holy place. A local pastry that all hype in Bali. Every morning, the Pialegong baker gets up early to bake a fresh stock in his delicious local treat. They are made by hand and not contained at life. So you need to consume them soon after you buy. There are many shops selling Pialegong, but the original one is Pialegong in Kuta. And there is only one branch. The famous pastry country flavor, chocolate, cheese, and mung beans, with cheese being the most popular one. There's only a limited stocks available every day, so if you want to ensure you get yours, it's wise to order one day before. If you are buying them without a prior reservation, you can only purchase a maximum of 5 boxes in one go. That's all about Balinese traditional. Thank you.